Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily delete a project in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when I'm going to add a new project here and click add, what can I do? I can just simply click three dots here on a project and then click delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. And this is pretty much it. So what you want to do, what you can do also, guys, is just click three dots here, and you can also archive the project. So that's another thing that you can do, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah,